does.
County ya Migori ni mwe ya county iri ikoragwo na riboti nyingi cia airītu anini kĩmĩaka kũhanda ũndũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthararia gĩthomo kĩa mwana wa mũirĩtu. Ũthuthuria ũrĩa wĩkĩtwo nĩ rũhonge rwa kĩmabũrũri rwa kũgitĩra ihoto cia ciana nĩruo UNICEF ũronania harĩ airĩtu ana arĩa marĩ gatagatĩ ka ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 15 nginyagia 19 ũmwe nĩ ohaga nda tene. Rĩu abitha gĩthomo county-inĩ ya Migori marauga maũndũ marĩa macũngagĩrĩria thĩna ũyũ wa kũhanda tene nĩ ũkia ũrĩa ũgũmĩire gĩcigo kĩu. Oro hamwe na kwaga gĩthomo kĩiganu kĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ hamwe na ũndũire mũhĩtũke nĩ mahinda wa kũhikithia airĩtu kĩa hinya marĩ anini.
And the main aim of starting this school was to help the vulnerable girls from Uhuru Bay. Near the lake, you'll find that there is a lot of fishing, and due to a lot of fishing, most of the people are affected by HIV/AIDS. So most of these children whose parents are infected, the parents cannot be able to take them to school. And also there is a lot of poverty around the lake.
I appreciate the fact that it took us over 3 years trying to establish a school that was going to bring girls out of poverty, that was going to make girls not be married early, that is dropping out, and we were looking at a school where girls can achieve because they have the capacity to achieve. I want to say this school has lived to its reality.